And we're back to learning HTML, and this time I'm going to show the meta tag. It's a rarely used tag, but it's actually quite cool. We can use it to display a scalar measurement like a gauge. Let me just give you an example. If I just add opening and closing tags and reload it, you can already see the scale. That's the default style of it. You can obviously style it in CSS. If you put content inside, it's not going to be visible. So if you want to make, for example, 45%, you'll have to add it right here as attributes. So we need the value 45. But if you just use it like this, the scale doesn't know what the min and max is. So we'll have to add that as well as attributes. If we want to have percent, it's obviously 0 to 100. And now the value 45 is at 45%. Let me, for example, change it to 95. And you can see that this scale is now a percent scale. You can obviously define different baselines for the scale. So let's say we want to make 2 out of 7. Something like this. By the way, the BR tag that I've added is just to give it a line break. So here we'll have to add the value 2. Min is 0, max is 7. So we've got a 2 out of 7 value on this scale from 0 to 7. By default, the min value is 0. So you don't necessarily have to add it. But sometimes you want to start with a scale that doesn't have a0 as a starting position. So you could change that right here. Another thing that's often used in conjunction with this meta tag is the label tag. On this way you would actually place your text that explains what the scale is for. So let me add something. I'll have to connect it. So I use the for tag in the label and the ID tag inside of the meta. Both have the same value, in this case %meta. For now nothing has changed, but within the label tags you can now add your text. And this is going to be shown before our scale, so the first one. Let me just create a simple example here, and if I, let's say, make it 55%. I changed the value here and I don't actually need the text, so let me delete this. And I add it up here in parentheses. So this is the usual structure, you could say, that these meta tags are used in. And that's basically all there is to know about the meta tag in HTML. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.